I'm Tolly Swift, and in order to get V70 YES through the MOT, I'm replacing both headlights today. Now, I actually got to take advice from myself in a video that I made 5 years ago to this month, June 2015, showing how to remove the bumper and subsequently the headlights, which was absolutely terrible quality. I recorded it on my own with one hand, and somehow it has over 130,000 views. So this will be a massive improvement on that video. Somehow the angle makes the headlights look in better condition than they actually are. So if you look closely, these are like candles on dark roads. You can't see a thing through them. So I'm quite happy to be changing them. So to start with, we need to remove these trim clips. So we're just pressing down the centres of the clips and popping them out. Now we've got just one screw in each wheel arch to remove. This T25 Torx screw at the top. Now, this car's covered 296,000 miles and I've still managed to remove it, so hopefully you'll be as lucky as me. And that way you'll be able to remove them. So pressing the centre in fully, it'll pop out, but these will be pretty mucky, so they are pretty difficult to get out. So now we need to remove these corner trims on both sides of the bumper. These are concealing a bolt behind them. So you're sticking a trim tool in at this end. And where these clips are, you can also insert the tool just to depress them. And same on the other side. So in each of these holes we've got a 12mm bolt. Now just one last thing to remove the wiring for the fog lights. Just disconnect the connectors. Now your bumper will be completely removed. I've wired up some additional lights, so mine's still attached a little bit. Now for the headlights, we've got 3 10mm bolts that are immediately accessible, and then behind the mounting for the bumper we need to remove this 10mm here and 2 T25 torque screws to reveal a concealed 10mm holding the light in position there. And now we can access the 10mm holding the bottom of the light. Now the headlamp assembly will be loose, bar all the wiring connectors that you've got on the back. So as I'm replacing the assembly, and also I've had to wire up my side lights, well, wire up one of my headlights to the side light, bypassing this connector here. I'm going to disconnect everything at this point because we'll be moving everything over to the other headlights. And that's one of the headlamp assemblies removed. So the other side's not as filthy. The level adjustment motor and this connector here. So you can actually see what's happening on this side. You can perhaps see the difference a bit better now. The lights are off the car. So there's every chance that these are the original headlights, and in the past I have actually polished the lenses back up, but this time I think they've gone a bit too far. So these headlights may have even done 296,000 miles. Right, so now to swap everything over from the old fitting. So we'll get the dirty bits out of the way. So take these covers off. This is the headlamp level adjustment motor. Now we just need to turn this out of position and give it a really hard pull out of the fitting. Now if we put a little bit of lubrication on here, a tiny amount, we need to push this into the new fitting, as you can see here. So if you can slide the dome end into the side of the new fitting and line up the holes, so you've got this larger area here that you need to line up here. Now for the bulbs, so if you're touching any of the glass, you'll want to wear a glove. We've got the indicator. We've got the headlamp. This is the dip beam, which is a H7 bulb. Now I've found that the headlight retaining springs on these Taiwanese aftermarket headlights are not bent to the same shape as the originals, so I'll show you the difference. I've had to swap over the originals as well, so I don't know why that is, but it's not a problem as we've got the originals. We've got the side light bulb. And now we can put the wiring back on, including the headlight. And finally we've got the high beam, which is a H9 bulb. So on the original connector, got a nice easy release like that, and twist the bulb anti-clockwise to remove. Make sure the seal is back how it should be. And on the new fitting, we've got a simpler connector. And now all we need to do is replace the covers, so you can use the originals or use the new ones that are provided. Now we should transfer these guides for the manual level adjustment, but on the other fitting it did break, this connector here, this trim clip here, and the same's happened on this one. Just unfortunately after this many years the plastic is brittle, but it's not an issue really, there's still plenty of room. It's more of a guide for the adjustment of this level here. Now we can almost refit the light, so we just need to attach the original connectors. So we'll get the side marker out of the way. Connector for the indicator.
headlamp level adjustment, and the main wiring connector. It's a blank. Now there may be a tighter fit than the originals, as they're not going to be perfectly original. Get all the bolts half in before we fully tighten them, just to make sure we can get them all lined up. If we just screw them half in, then we've got a little bit of wiggle room. Make sure that we don't cross thread anything. And once we're happy that everything's lined up, we can tighten everything fully. Now we can refit the bumper. Now before you get everything all tightened up, you'll want to check the lights. You can do this as soon as you connect the lights back up, even without the bolts in. And if everything's okay, then you'll be ready to finish the job. So replace the bumper completely and you'll be good to go. Job complete. Just a little bit confused by this gap here. Now I've tried taking the bumper off and refitting 3 times. I'm guessing that it's something to do with the new fitting, but I can't be certain. But otherwise, all the lights work and it's ready to pass the MOT. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. If you'd like to see more videos on this car and many others, then please do check out my channel.